Well, staying with jewelry, diamonds and of course weddings, today we begin a special series right here on Urban Planet. Well, so far this wedding season, we've been telling you who can really help you choke your dream wedding. Well, through this week now, we're going to tell you where you can actually go and tie the knot. Well, today's destination is Royal Rajasthan.
It's Royal Rajasthan at its best. For a fairy tale wedding, these medieval forts and palaces provide an ambience that's difficult to match. From NRIs to the rich and famous, everyone is flocking to Rajasthan for celebrations that capture the colour and pageantry of its royal past. The 250-year-old Jai Mahal Palace was once the residence of the Prime Minister of Jaipur. Its lawns, patterned on the Mughal style, are one of the most popular wedding venues in the city. But it is not just the venue. Even wedding processions here are organised in grand style, with elephants, camels, horses and even buggies and vintage cars thrown in.
Rajasthan has, except for snow, there's so much to offer. There's colour, there are beautiful dances, there's music and these beautiful historic buildings. It's a complete package.
From the 18th century city palace to medieval forts like Nahargarh and Jaipur and more recent royal residences like Rambagh, Raj Mahal and Hari Mahal, Jaipur alone has more than a dozen heritage buildings to choose from, where hosting a wedding can cost between 4 to 6 lakh rupees. But apart from the main ceremony, Jaipur also offers some innovative ideas for pre-wedding festivities, like elephant and horse polo matches, where the girls' side is often pitted against the Baratis.
Polo weddings, you can have a lunch, you can have a high tea, you can have a dinner. At Jaipur, at the polo ground, they even sort of bring the arena, they floodlight it in the evening, and you can actually have a polo match.
Interestingly, most hotel owners say 50% of the weddings organized at these palaces are NRI weddings or rich industrialists from Bombay and Delhi who want to avoid typical metro weddings for Jaipur's old world charm.
I think people are just coming back to their roots, going back to traditions, and the kind of ambience that you get in Hari Mahal or buildings like Hari Mahal, it's just the right balance of the old and the new in a way. So that is what I wanted to bring in.
But it is not just Indians alone. The foreign tourist who comes here is also captivated by the glamour of Royal Rajasthan. And many tourists celebrate their wedding anniversaries by organizing mock weddings, where they take their wedding vows again in Rajasthani style. And these weddings have now become quite a money spinner for Rajasthan's travel trade.
जो भी यहाँ टूरिस्ट आता है उसके एक दिमाग में ख्वाब होता है कि मैं रॉयल्टी के बीच में जा रहा हूँ, इसलिए आज वो हमारे महलों में अगर रुकता है तो वो चाहता है कि मेरी एनिवर्सरी हो या मेरा मैरिज हो या मॉक वेडिंग हो, तो वापस उसी हिसाब से चाहता है कि मेरा रॉयल स्टाइल से कुछ न कुछ हम उसको दे पाएं.
From Elizabeth Hurley to Raveena Tandon, Rajasthan has hosted some of the most glamorous celebrity weddings. And with the grandeur of its forts and palaces also available for hire, it's little wonder that Rajasthan is everyone's favourite choice for a truly royal wedding. In Jaipur, Harsha Kumari Singh, NDTV.